All right, so I'm recording this on my iPhone, so excuse anything, but I just got off the phone with Apple support. Basically, I made a short before about the USB-C video issues I'm having with my Mac Mini and my MacBook Pro on macOS 13 Ventura. And I just wiped and restored my Mac Mini using Apple Configurator on my MacBook Pro. So actually, that's the second Thunderbolt cable, or the USB-C cable. I'm gonna plug it in here to USB-C. So it's plugged in. It's plugged into this monitor right here that's already on. It's on via HDMI right now. So we're going to just go to sources here. As you can see, USB-C is not powered on. So if we go here, it is just going to show, nothing's connected. You kind of get a little bit of a flicker there. We're going to go back here to HDMI 2, which is what the Mac Mini is plugged into. And if we go to settings and displays, you can see here only one display is connected. It's not detecting the USB-C display. Now we'll plug it into my my MacBook Pro down here. We'll wake it up. As you can see, it is charging from the display. Sorry, the screen is dusty. We'll go down here. I'll even switch the display back over so it is actively on USB-C. So right there, we're on USB-C, and we'll go down to displays. And as you can see, all we get is the built-in display. So this issue is occurring on two separate Macs. As you can see, it says turn on the device. Now, if I unplug it, it says connect an external device. So the monitor itself is able to detect that something's plugged into it. So that is working just fine, but the Mac itself is not detecting any USB-C displays. I fully wiped this when I reinstalled macOS. One is on the beta, one is on the public release. This one I tried on the public release and it's not working whatsoever. And the best Apple could tell me was take it to the Apple Store. Now, if it was one Mac with one issue, sure, that would be a thing. Excuse my desk, it's dirty, but that would be, whatever. But it's not. It's two Macs with the exact same issue, even after a fresh setup, just like it would be out of the box. Still not working. So definitely something with macOS that they need to fix, and they just seem to be ignoring it. There's plenty of forum posts, plenty of other stuff that is talking about this on Mac Rumors. There's a ton of forums. People are having all kinds of USB-C video issues. Nothing working. They're not able to use their external monitors and all that kind of stuff. And Apple just seems to be ignoring this. It's been occurring since macOS 13 release candidate. So a couple months now. I've done multiple bug reports on the beta builds and it's getting ignored. So Apple needs to hurry up and figure something out, or at least make a public statement about this or something, because it's really annoying that I can't plug in my Mac, any of them, via USB-C.